Hey guys, yesterday at 2 a.m. you can see yesterday at 2 a.m. this user Justin26 he messaged me, hello, when I install and do the onboard OpenClaw then can't connect to server. So this is a problem, and then he said can you fix it and fix it for 20 CAD. So I missed this opportunity. I mean, I know it's small amount, but it's actually very small task, because look, 2 days, just 1 hour ago I saw that my OpenClaw that's actually unreachable. Like, I'm going this server but it's not showing any UI and dashboard. So after that research, I found this solution. Maybe you guys or related someone same issues are facing. So at this point, I try to see the helpline, okay, and I'm giving you the command, okay. So gateway start blocked, set gateway mode local, current unset or pass allow unconfigured. So this is the things actually that's actually blocking. So if the gateway are blocking, then we just need to enable the block. This is the command openclaw config set gateway mode local. So if we give this command, then it will be just ask for the restart. So we will restart that, and that's it. OpenClaw gateway restart, and then restart, and after restart you can see it's reachable. So if I write the OpenClaw dashboard, it should now show the OpenClaw dashboard. Yeah, that's it. So yeah guys, so maybe you or many person are facing these issues in your computer. So try to just uninstall the OpenClaw, because I was uninstall it also. So if by this command not fixes, then try to uninstall the OpenClaw and then again reinstall, like npm -g npm install -g, then the OpenClaw. I mean, just reinstall that package and then give this command, because maybe the most of the issues for this unreachable, that is the gateway unset kind of some issues. Or okay, so this is, I hope. If you are still facing the issues, please feel free to knock me for how to reachable for the OpenClaw, or if any setups related issues you have, just feel free to knock me. Okay, thank you.